we're going to do an inelastic collision. So we're going to have one cart move with an initial velocity through the first photo gate and get its speed, and it's going to collide with this cart, same mass, but it'll be at rest. Then they'll form one large mass, go through the second photo gate, will get their combined speed afterward. So according to conservation of momentum, since the second cart is at rest, it will have zero momentum. So the momentum we find after we get the speed, initial speed, should equal their combined masses times their new speed. So we'll find out if that happens. Okay, it looks like the second one started to move, so I have some error. Okay, so if you noticed, when I turned the air on, the surface was so frictionless that cart B actually started moving slightly, so that's going to introduce a little bit of error. But when we did our calculations, we found out 0.15 was the initial momentum, 0.14 was our afterward, so pretty close, and definitely that movement of the cart initially by itself from friction-free surface was a major cause of the error. So if we did that again, we'd probably get a lot closer to what it should be.